Hey everybody, it's NJT Track Guy again, coming back at you with another World Trade Center update. Based on the information that I've received recently, the tower steel is now up to 90. The tower steel is now up to the 90th floor. Glass is up to 64th floor. I believe the concrete was just poured on the 86th floor. I'm not too sure about the concrete. So I'm gonna walk around as usual and bring you some more progress. Okay, let's go see the tower. Tower 4 is also gaining progress, along with Tower 3. Tower 2 is still basically in the ground. The base is almost full with concrete, and the mesh is now extended to these two other sides of the base.
Yeah.
There's the core of Tower 3. Okay, here's Tower 2. Again, still mainly in the ground. Okay, I'm gonna try to move quickly because I'm running out of daylight. You have a little bit of steel here from Tower 2. But otherwise, nothing too much right now. Here's some more of Tower 2. Again, just the basement. You can see a little bit of Tower 3 and the base of Tower 4.
Now from the other side.
Progress is really moving forward. This will be the new World Trade Center. This will soon be filled in completely. As well as a lot of other work that they need to do. But it's making progress. Well, it's a late Sunday evening, so everything is relatively quiet. But overall, I'm impressed with the progress, as I said in my previous updates. Again, the mesh is still here, and it's also extended around the rest of the building except for that left corner. I'm going to continue out to the Hudson to take more pictures. You can get a good detailed look at the structure steel right there.